Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a vitamin C face mask. First, begin by cleansing your face thoroughly to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils. This ensures the mask can effectively penetrate your skin. Use a gentle cleanser and warm water, then pat your face dry with a soft, clean towel. Remember to wash your hands well before touching the mask to maintain hygiene and prevent transferring any unwanted bacteria to your freshly cleaned face. Now, let's apply the mask. Carefully remove the vitamin C sheet mask from its packaging and gently unfold it. Place the mask onto your face, aligning the cutouts for your eyes, nose, and mouth. Press it gently to ensure it adheres well to your skin, smoothing out any air bubbles. This ensures maximum contact and absorption of the beneficial serum, allowing your skin to fully soak in the vitamin C goodness. Once the mask is applied, it's time to let it work its magic. Leave the vitamin C mask on for the recommended duration, typically between 15 and 20 minutes. This allows your skin ample time to absorb the potent serum. During this period, try to relax and avoid making excessive facial expressions. After the time is up, gently peel the mask off, starting from the edges. After removing the mask, your skin will likely have some serum remaining. Do not rinse your face immediately. Instead, gently pat the excess serum into your skin using your fingertips until it's fully absorbed. This helps to maximize the benefits of the vitamin C. Finish your routine by applying your favorite moisturizer to seal in all the hydration and active ingredients, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and radiant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.